In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best car jump starter power banks available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the car jump starter power banks list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the car jump starter power banks mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, BUVAYE Car Jump Starter Air Pump. The BUVAYE Car Jump Starter Air Pump is a versatile tool designed for emergency situations. With its powerful jump-starting capability, it ensures your car gets back on the road quickly. This multifunctional device also features a portable air compressor, capable of inflating tires with precision. Its compact design includes a built-in power lamp for nighttime use and a durable EVA bag for easy portability. Whether you're facing a flat tire or a dead battery, this is the perfect companion for outdoor adventures and everyday emergencies. Number 4, GOOLOO 12V Car Jump Starter 4000A. The GOOLOO 12V Car Jump Starter delivers a whopping 4000 A peak current, making it suitable for starting cars, trucks, and SUVs. It doubles as a 24,000 mAh portable power bank, capable of charging multiple devices simultaneously. Engineered for emergency use, it features advanced safety technologies to protect against overcurrent, overload, and short circuits. This device is compact and travel-friendly, ensuring reliable performance during long trips or unforeseen breakdowns. Number 3, 6000A Jump Starter with LED Flashlight. This 6000A Jump Starter is a powerful device built for heavy-duty vehicles. It delivers instant starts with its 6000 A peak current and includes a 150W DC charger for added functionality. The 3.3-inch LED screen provides clear battery status, and the 600-lumen flashlight is ideal for nighttime emergencies. Compact and durable, it's a dependable tool for tough conditions and unexpected breakdowns. Number 2, UTRAI 4-in-1 Jump Starter. The UTRAI 4-in-1 Jump Starter is a versatile device that combines a 2000 A jump starter, a 16,000 mAh power bank, a 150 psi air compressor, and an emergency light. It's designed to start most vehicles, inflate tires, and charge your devices with ease. Its compact build makes it easy to store, while durable construction ensures reliability in emergencies. Whether you're traveling or dealing with a flat tire, this all-in-one device is the ultimate roadside companion. Number 1, Baseus 2000A Emergency Jump Starter. The Baseus 2000A Emergency Jump Starter is a compact and efficient tool for petrol and diesel engines. With a 2000 A peak current, it ensures your vehicle starts quickly in emergencies. The 20,000 mAh power bank can also charge phones and other devices, adding versatility. Safety features like overcharge and short-circuit protection make it reliable and user-friendly. Lightweight and portable, it's a must-have for any driver to handle unexpected breakdowns.